How to find Cash App Card CVC security number. First, open up your Cash App. Look at the very bottom left of your screen and tap on that little card icon. This brings you right into your Cash Card settings. Now, if you look at your virtual card right here, your details might look hidden. To fix that, just tap the tiny eye icon in the top right corner of the card layout. Boom! Your full card details will instantly flip around and reveal themselves. Now, you might notice the app labels it as a CVV, but the website you're buying from is asking for a CVC. Quick tip, they are the exact same thing. Visa calls it a CVV and MasterCard calls it a CVC. Since Cash App runs on the Visa network, it says CVV on your screen, but you can safely type those exact 3 digits into any CVC box online. Oh, and if you have your physical Cash App card on you, you don't even need the app. Just flip the card over. Your 3-digit security code is printed right there on the back. And hey, if your account balance is currently low and you need to load up some funds before making that online purchase, I just made a quick guide on how to add a debit card to Cash App. Click right here to watch that next, and I'll see you over there.